Hi guys, are you looking for a snack? My name is Gina. I'm a teen librarian at the Spokane Public Library, and today we are in the kitchen where we're going to make ramen grilled cheese, and I'm going to show you how. Before we get started, I'd like to encourage all of you to join our teen Discord server or our teen Minecraft server. These servers are open to anybody who is between the ages of 12 and 18. If you're interested in joining, please check the description box below. There are links to the applications there. For this recipe, you're going to need sharp cheddar cheese, chopped green onions, 1 egg, sriracha, and 2 packages of ramen noodles. I chose the chicken flavor, but you can choose whatever flavor you prefer. The first step is to boil our ramen noodles the way we normally would. Next, we'll take our egg, we'll crack it, and we'll scramble it up. Once the ramen noodles are done boiling, we'll strain them in the sink. We'll take the noodles now and we'll dump them in with our egg and we'll mix it up. And it's important to make sure that this gets evenly coated. Next, we'll take a cookie sheet with these egg cooking tins on it, and we'll use these tins as molds for our ramen noodles. You can use any tins you have at home, or you can just kind of shape the noodles on your own. Now, we'll place the noodles in the refrigerator to chill. And we'll wait for about 30 minutes. While those are chilling, we'll take our shredded cheese and we'll mix it up with this ramen flavor packet. And I just decided to go ahead and mix this up using my hands. Now that the noodles are done chilling, we'll remove them from the refrigerator and we'll prepare our pan with vegetable oil. I recommend vegetable oil because it can heat to a higher temperature and we're going to get this pan pretty hot. Turn your stove top to medium or medium high, and then we'll remove the noodles from these little tins. Once the tins are removed, we'll place the noodles into the pan. Cook the noodles for a few minutes on each side until they're golden brown. Then add your cheese. And we'll turn off our stovetop and turn our oven to broil. We'll then place our pan in the oven and melt the cheese. Once the cheese is melted, we'll add green onions. And we'll add sriracha. All right, we're all done. Look at that, ramen grilled cheese. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. I think it's fantastic. If you're looking for more fun recipes like this one, you should check out our catalog where we have fun cookbooks like this one, How to Feed Yourself When You Don't Know What You're Doing. So go ahead and check it out. I'll put a link to our catalog in the description below. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.